This is my firewood bed. Groundhogs tried to utilize this spot to dig their trenches. Not going to happen. Extra screens, which I covered my spaghetti squash, my tomatoes that come back every year. I've got fennel and dill and watermelon and cucumbers growing over here, in addition to my spicy lettuce. This is my peach tree, which gave me only a few peaches after the leaf curl and the super duper wind. I've got tree lilies growing inside the bird deterrent. I got my grapes growing on the grape trellis, or grapevine as you want to call it. These are cuttings from my fruit trees that after I pruned them, and everything is coming along very nicely. The flowers on the kiwi vine had dried up and died, to which I've never seen before. But after some observation, I have some kiwi. Not as much as usual, but they are still coming up. My spicy lettuce is going to seed. These are the flowers. Bing! These are the seed pods. I'll get a close-up. These are what you want to save after they're dry, and or let them reseed in the garden, back where you want to have it. All of the moisture, this is spearmint. Boom, boom, boom. These are your onion seeds after they have flowered. Yes, they will reproduce, and as you see, make a multitude. Hee hee hee. These are my sweet potatoes growing. That sweet potato that was the slit that my daughter gave me after I ate the sweet potato fries from the other end. I directly put the sweet potato in the ground. Never do that, but I'm doing it this time to see what happens. So, more spearmint, bathtub flower bed. Take care, be safe, you are loved. Kiwis are coming. And the sunflowers are getting taller. After I put the diatomaceous earth, you see, it nibbled on there and not nibbling on these. And you have to do diligent, because just as you don't spray or put neem oil, they will eat your flowers after the rain. Take care, be safe, you are loved, keep growing, stay positive, and don't forget to breathe. You are loved.